have rebuilt my life with just 750 rupees in my bank account, but $1 billion worth of dreams.
The pivotal moment for me was this job where I had to build probably 20 chairs, 10 bookshelves, 5 easels, and I was on my own. So I took it on and I managed to do it. That was an amazing feeling to convince myself that I was capable. As a woman, I was capable. I'm Aida Esani. I am from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I am a carpenter and entrepreneur. Where I come from, to be successful, you either become a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer, or an architect. So, because I love reading and everyone was just laying out the path for me to become a lawyer, I didn't have a choice. Basically. After graduating, I struggled financially. I had difficulties to continue that path and didn't manage to do my bars. So that kind of halted my career to become a lawyer. It was terrifying but also liberating because the path that was laid out for me was no longer available, but I had a blank canvas. That's where it all started. I discovered how wonderful it is to build with my own two hands. I met my partner and we decided to start a business together. So after a few years of doing the business with my partner, we got a divorce and I had to question myself whether I could do this on my own as a woman. After building the amount of chairs, bookshelf, and easel, seeing everything completed, I actually cried. I did. Because I doubted myself at the start, whether I should continue doing this. And it just gave me a boost that I needed. Not just for my business, but life in general.